CNT Act, present legal status. The CNT Act was amended by the Bihar government in 1962. This CNT Act amendment included economically weaker castes, EWCs, that belong to the SC and OBC category into the provisions of the CNT Act. In the original CNT Act, only the lands of scheduled tribes, STs, came under the provisions of the Act, and the power of land transfer was vested with the rightful owner. The list of backward classes whose land was restricted as per the CNT Act after the amendment was notified. Recently in January of 2012, the Jharkhand High Court asked the state government to make it clear that the provisions of the CNT Act apply to the tribes and the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes members and that the Jharkhand government has to follow the action in its true spirit. The reason that this was said by the court was that the CNT Act was followed concerning tribals, but the provisions for SC/BC were rarely applied. CNT Act, current situation. The Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act CNT Act was created for giving the tribal people a right over their land and to protect their land rights. However, the government implementation of the provisions of the CNT Act has not been up to the mark. Numerous cases of tribal land being used for purposes other than agriculture or industries are currently present. Vast tracts of tribal land have also been alienated because of the state's power to acquire tribal land, given the public interest.